Gwatney Collision Center, West Little Rock, is conveniently located at 11301 West Markham, across from the Academy Sports Shopping Center, tucked in beside the long-lived audio business. Don't let size fool you, as Gwatney's smallest collision facility is just as capable as the others. From the smallest dent to frame damage or paint work, Gwatney Collision West can do it all on-site and on time. We're happy to assist you with a rental car or a ride home from your initial drop-off. Gwatney takes the stress out of your repair because there's no need for a minor accident to wreck your life. Gwatney is a preferred repair facility and will work directly with your insurance company. So bring Gwatney Collision West your damaged car and headache. And remember, Gwatney is where quality collides with great service. Gwatney Collision West, across from the Academy Sports Shopping Center.